What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. The guys just hit me up, said they got to surprise me at the shop. Said they're gonna work on a new project or something. Just curious to see what it is. We're gonna go see what they're talking about and go and check this project out. Let's go see what these guys are up to. Said they're working on some stuff. Nobody here. Just one of the little ones. Maybe the shop side. What are these guys doing? Said they were gonna show me a surprise.
We got a nice little surprise for you. Hopefully you liked it.
I thought we had some parts come in yesterday or something, but I wasn't expecting this.
Yeah, you know what's funny? I wasn't expecting this thing either. I gotta go to the other side.
I'm scared. What's on the other side?
I remembered it was an old Type R. You know, we're imagining white, but it's kind of funny. Jaggedy door panels and everything.
I'm worried about that algae color. I haven't seen this thing in years. Yeah, I think it's been like, I saw this last like 5-10 years ago, who knows.
Yeah, technically we were cleaning up, trimming trees. We totally forgot it was here. We saw it, that's when we had to call you. It's been sitting here at least 9-10 years.
Look here, boys. And she's real.
Hey man, you know everybody always has a name for something like that. This one should probably be poison ivy or something. This is real.
I was thinking Swamp Thing, but poison ivy fits the bill.
Swamp Thing sounds good. We're probably gonna need to call Harry's and overnight some parts from Japan.
Wow. Jeez.
I do remember it being a real Type R, but what's with all these other parts?
4-lug.
It's different. You're reporting for duty?
You're recording this right now.
Yeah. You're gonna clean this up, right? You got a lot of work to do. It's pretty ugly.
Oh my god. Whoever left it, it was very dirty. But at least they left their parts so you can build it. Some of it.
Okay, we're fixing up the car. By the time I finish, you can drive it to school.
Me?
It's pretty ugly.
Bumper. Good.
Just an outside.
Would have cleaned this in the shop, but it's a bunch of nasty stuff in there. We're gonna leave it out here and pressure wash it out so we don't have to clean it twice. So we're gonna suffer with the heat for just a little bit.
So we emptied everything out of the inside. It's pretty much empty from all the junk parts that accumulated in there in the past few years, but she's got some rust. We're gonna have to vacuum her out, wash her up, and see what we're working with. Now, what are we looking at in here? I mean, is she salvageable? What are we doing?
Yeah.
We got some rust.
Anything salvageable.
Yeah. I think we could clean everything up, but the only thing is that if you're gonna look over here, this whole section is gonna have to be cut out.
I think it's just we just don't want to give her old girl up because she is a Type R. So we're gonna, you know, try to breathe some life into her. Might be coming up in, you know, this might be one of our builds we'll be doing. I don't want to say first, or we're gonna try to smash this one out, but she's gonna take some work, and we're gonna get her work on.
Hey, I know this is gonna be a lot of work, so I brought in some help. So they just arrived.
All right, come on, guys. What do you got? Let's start pulling some stuff apart and wash her up. Get her all cleaned up.
Hey, did they have his tetanus shot yet?
Is this working?
It's better than what you got. There you go, Daniel, son.
Whoa, shit! Turbo boost, bro.
Hey, here's some money.
That's not money, is it?
Pretty ugly.
What's your name? I'll write it on the wall. Or he could do this. Right here, you get it. But don't let go.
No, but yeah, you gotta make sure it stays running. Is that it? Yeah, give me a chunk, right? Like one little chunk of clean right here. Or Blaster Type R is. How about that? Yeah, hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get new details. There, coach, come right up.
Robert's gonna accelerate the rust inside.
Integra Type R.
This is a very special car. Limited edition.
Wow.
It's not just a whole car, it's a special car.
Wow. This is so special.
Sometimes I wonder if we should go all out on the white bug eye. You know what I'm saying? Right? We got the project, go all out on the white bug eye.
Good. I would do that.